Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid warp in DaVinci Resolve. First, navigate to the Fusion page and add the grid warp node to your media. This powerful tool allows you to non-destructively distort your footage. You can begin by adjusting the grid's density, choosing between a 2x2 or a 10x10 grid, for example, to gain more or less control over specific areas of your image. This initial setup is crucial for achieving your desired warping effect. Once your grid is set, you can start manipulating it. Simply click and drag individual grid points to deform your image in real time. For larger adjustments, select multiple points by drawing a box around them, then move them together. Remember to use the smooth control, typically found in the inspector panel, to soften the transitions between warped sections, preventing harsh, jagged edges. This gives your distortions a more natural and professional appearance. For more advanced effects, explore the additional controls. The strength parameter allows you to dial in the intensity of your warp from 0 to 100%. You can also keyframe the positions of your grid points over time, creating dynamic, animated distortions. Experiment with the border type setting, choosing options like replicate or reflect to define how the edges of your warped image behave, ensuring a seamless look even with extreme warps. Grid warp is incredibly versatile. You can use it to subtly correct lens distortions, like barrel or pincushion effects, making your footage look more natural. Beyond correction, it's fantastic for creative visual effects, such as stretching text or creating fluid transitions between clips. It also helps in integrating elements into complex scenes by matching perspectives and bending objects to fit their environment, adding a professional polish to your final edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.